Hey, Sketchlab friends, this isn't just a dolphin, it's a rainbow snow cone party inside of a coconut bowl. Let's draw this tropical treat using Posca markers step by step. If you don't have Poscas, don't worry, you can color with whatever you got. So we're going to start off with a coconut bowl with 2 dots and a foreshortened circle. Today you can see we have umbrellas, drips, and dolphin flips. So this is going to be the outer edge of the bowl or the lip of the bowl. Erasing off some of those construction lines. So today we're going to be building with shapes and forms, and sometimes we have construction lines that we will erase. So draw lightly. We're going to start creating the shape of this bowl now. All right, let's start off with the top. So we're going to start with the basic shape. So once we have the shape solidified, we will eventually change the outline. But we're going to start here with the dolphin's head. So let's start off with a circle. So what we're doing is similar to like the first step of a how to draw book, right? We're establishing the basic shapes and forms, and most importantly, the proportions, the size relationships. So for instance, how big was the circle for the head in comparison to the top of the snow cone, right? So we started off with that basic shape, the circle, and we started adding the snout and the mouth, and start getting the shape of the head, the back of this dolphin. And I apologize for this getting out of focus today. I want to check my settings. So you got the little dorsal fin. If you want, we could add a little rosy cheek for cuteness. Another little fin. And now we're going to start changing the outline of the top of this little snow cone. This little bowl of shave ice here. Got to make it drippy. Now we have overlapping. You see how the drip goes over the bowl? So we erase that off. And that helps create space. Makes your picture look more three-dimensional. And with drips, you want to use variety. So you might have a big drip, a little drip. Now you can see we're curving these lines out to the right on the right-hand side of the snow cone. Good job, guys. We're off to a great start today. And these are going to be little wavy lines that create the different flavors of our shave ice for snow cone. We're going to start adding a little bit of texture for this coconut as well. Up, and here goes a little cocktail umbrella, because even dolphins need shade while chilling in a coconut. And we're going to go ahead and add another little cocktail umbrella for a dolphin. So you can see the shape of the umbrella is a little bit like a triangle. Then I curved a line up and 2 lines down for the straw. I'm going to curve these lines up a little bit for the stripe on the straw. And now the tail. So this is like a little spa day for our dolphin. See, I curve that line up and curve another line up. Erasing off some construction lines. Okay, looking good, guys. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and add the flower, because even snow cone dolphins need a tropical spa day, guys. So look at the shapes of these flower petals. They're a little bit heart-like, aren't they? Add these little contour lines that curve a little bit. It's going to make these petals appear to be more three-dimensional. All right, so that definitely added the tropical vibe, the hibiscus flower. I'm just using a Sharpie marker to outline. And if you don't have Posca markers, stick around, because we're basically using colors value. So you can see our color palette today. We're going to have some one lighter and one darker color. Sometimes we use 3 values of one color. So for the coconut, we have brown, cacao brown, dark brown, and beige. So there's 4 values, tan to dark brown. With the green, you can see I have a apple green and a dark green, regular green. You'll even see with the yellow here, I got yellow and then yellow ochre. Yellow ochre is kind of like a yellow orange. You got the light purple, and then purple. You got the light blue and blue. And we're building up that value. So here we have the robin green, and then the darker value is going to be emerald green to build in the shadows. And even on the straw, the white part of the straw is beige on the shadow side. Well, and there you have it, a dolphin living its best life in a coconut snow cone. Well, if you want to grab your own version or color your own version, you can get a coloring page off my post tab. If you're ready for more deliciously weird and cute art, check out my full Posca marker playlist. We've got cupcakes, smoothies, and a shark that's probably made of watermelon. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.